Yes, students, here we are going to discuss electric potential due to a dipole. If we go through the dipole, we have already discussed electric potential in previous lecture and we know the dipole. So if we go through the dipole, what is dipole that we know? It is having a charge minus q and plus q which is separated by a very small distance, that is 2a. This is our dipole. So we have taken into consideration with the dipole, and what we have to determine electric potential due to a dipole. Now if we take it on the axis, this is the axis, so we can say electric potential at axis. This is the first point which we are going to discuss here, electric potential at axis. Now we have assumed this a dipole which is having dipole moment which is equal to 2aq, and we have taken a point which is at P, which is at a distance of r from the center. The point which we have taken it P at a distance of r. And if we are talking about the point electric potential, we want to know the electric potential at these 2 points. Okay. So if we go through this, electric potential because of the positive charge, we'll write at point P, electric potential due to positive charge, that is because of this at point this. Now this is the distance r and this is the point which we have taken at the center. We can call it as A point and we can call it as B point. It is the center. So here if you want to know the electric potential because of plus q charge, so it will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q. Now this distance which we have taken r and this is A, because this is of 2a, so it will be at the center. So this distance from O to A or from O to P will be given by r minus A, electric potential. This is because of the q upon r minus A. We know the electric potential will be given by 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r. Electric potential is a scalar quantity, not a vector quantity. Okay. Now if we go through this, what we have got, because of the positive charge there will be an electric potential, and thus this will be given by this relationship. Now another, we are having a negative charge here, and because of the negative charge there will be an electric potential. So we are going to calculate this. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into minus q, and the distance, this is r and this is A, so we can say this is r plus A. Okay. So electric potential because of these two will be given by the V plus Q and V minus Q. Okay. So if we go through the total electric potential because of the dipole, we can call it as a V axis, axial axis, because we are determining it on axis. हम इसको किस पे determine कर रहे हैं? Axis पे निकाल रहे हैं. We have taken point P. हमने एक point P assume कर लिया, which is at a distance of r. R distance पे है और इसको हमने 2a ले रखा, तो एट सेंटर्स हम इसको देख रहे हैं. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग दिस इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल नेगेटिव चार्ज के कारण क्या मिल रहा है, दैट वी हैव सीन. नाउ हियर इफ वी गो विद दिस, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon this r minus a, and this is q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r plus a. So here we can have the relationship 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. It is q, we are taking it out, so it is 1 upon r minus a minus 1 upon r plus a. Okay. Now if we calculate it, q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, it is r square minus a square. This is r plus a. This is minus r minus plus a. So it is going to be a plus a, r cancelled. So it is 2aq upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r square minus a square. This is the electric potential we are getting at axis. because of the dipole at a point P, which is at a distance of r from the center of the dipole. Now so here what we are getting in terms of dipole moment, so it is V at axis will be given by P upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r square minus a square. This is the electric potential which we are getting because of the dipole at this point P. हमको जो dipole के कारण जो point P पे इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल मिल रहा है किसके टर्म्स में, डाइपोल मोमेंट के टर्म्स में, P इज इक्वल टू 2aq. सो ये डाइपोल मोमेंट के टर्म्स में हमको क्या मिल रहा है, V एक्सिस विच इज इक्वल्स टू P अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट r स्क्वायर माइनस a स्क्वायर. नाउ इफ वी गो थ्रू दिस, if we are taking r is much greater than a, what will happen? This relationship V axis is going to be equal to P upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square. If you have taken r is much greater than a, what is going to be happen? The electric potential at the axial point because of the dipole will be in terms of dipole moment P upon 4 pi epsilon naught into r square. Okay, so this we have calculated on dipole. Okay, now we will go with the next one, that is at equatorial point. At equatorial point, now what is equatorial point? First we will discuss that. We know that this is minus q charge, this is plus q charge, which is separated by distance 2a. ये एक डिस्टेंस से सेपरेटेड है, इसी को हम डाइपोल कह रहे हैं. और अभी हमने we have calculated it on axis. This is the center point, say O, and this is say point A, and this is point B. Now if we go equatorial means this will be perpendicular to the axis. So we have taken again a point P. हमने एक point P assume कर लिया, and ये point जो है यहाँ से एक distance पे है, इसको हम कह सकते हैं R distance. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ये जो point आ रहा है ये R है, इसको हम इस टाइप से निकाल सकते हैं. ये पॉइंट A हो गया आपका, दिस इज द पॉइंट B, हियर वी आर हैविंग O, और ये जो आपका पॉइंट हो गया P. तो यहाँ पे ये जो डिस्टेंस मिल रहा है ये आपको मिल रहा है r स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. द डिस्टेंस विच वी आर गेटिंग दैट इज r स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर. हमको क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ r स्क्वायर प्लस a स्क्वायर, एंड सेम डिस्टेंस विच वी आर गेटिंग इट हियर. Now because of the positive charge there will be an electric potential, and because of the negative charge there will be an electric potential. So we are talking about an equatorial point. So here because of, we can say VQ, because of positive charge 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon this distance r square plus a square. This distance, that is r square plus a square under root. Electric potential 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. That formula we are going to apply here. Now similarly, you have got charge V minus Q, that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught into Q upon under root R square plus A square. Okay. Now if because of this there will be electric potential, because of this negative charge there will be electric potential, प्लस क्यू की चार्ज के कारण ये इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल है, माइनस क्यू चार्ज के कारण ये इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल है, दोनों का कंबाइंड इफेक्ट क्या होगा? सो द रिजल्ट विल बी एट इक्वेटोरियल V plus Q and V minus Q charge electric potential. Now here we have to use this minus Q. Okay, so that is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon under root R square plus A square minus this Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into R square plus A square. So if we go through this, what we are getting, it is going to be equal to 0. So at equatorial point of dipole के equatorial point P पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल 0 है. एक्सिस पे तो मिल रहा है, ऑन एक्सिस वी आर गेटिंग द रिजल्ट दैट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड because of the dipole. Now we have gone through the dipole, we have gone through the equatorial point. अब equatorial point पे भी हम देख रहे हैं what we are getting the result is 0. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इक्वेटोरियल पॉइंट पे 0 है, जबकि एक्सियल पे हमको मिल रहा था, एक्सियल पे हमको क्या मिल रहा था, P upon 1/4πε0 P upon r square minus a square r. P, if we are assuming r is much greater than a, then what we have got? We have got a relation P upon 4πε0 r square. So there is a difference between axial as well as equatorial point. Okay. So this way what we can do, we can calculate the electric potential due to a dipole at axis, at axial point as well as at equatorial point. Okay.